Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 Vlogs. St. Francis Church is a cherished historic landmark and vibrant center of Catholic worship, nestled on the corner of Lonsdale and Elizabeth Streets in the heart of Melbourne. Built between 1841 and 1845, it holds the distinction of being the oldest Catholic church in Victoria and one of the few surviving pre-Gold Rush structures in the city's central area. The church was founded under the leadership of Father Patrick Gagan, OFM, the first resident Catholic priest in the Port Phillip district, who laid its foundation stone on the 4th of October 1841, the feast day of St. Francis of Assisi, the church's patron saint. The original nave was completed and first used for Mass in May 1842, with the building later blessed and opened in October 1845. Architecturally, St. Francis combines early Gothic influences with later enhancements, reflecting its evolution over nearly 2 centuries. Designed by Samuel Jackson, the church is simple yet elegant, with a cruciform plan, stone buttresses, and a striking cedar ceiling that draws the eye upward. One of its most exquisite features is the Lady Chapel, added in the late 1850s, noted for its richly detailed decoration. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. Historically, the church served as Melbourne's first Catholic cathedral from 1848 until 1868, when the seat of the archdiocese moved to the still unfinished St. Patrick's Cathedral. The site also bears deep local significance. St. Mary MacKillop, Australia's first canonized saint, was baptized here in 1842 and received her early sacraments within its walls. Today, St. Francis remains a vibrant parish church, renowned for its lively liturgical life, with multiple daily masses and the long-standing tradition of the St. Francis Choir enriching Sunday worship. Its enduring presence in the CBD offers both spiritual solace and a tangible link to Melbourne's earliest Catholic heritage. You are invited to join the religious community in the morning and evening prayer of the church, and to participate in regular devotions, including a weekly novena. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia playlist. Outside Mass times, St. Francis Church is an oasis of silence and peace in the center of Melbourne, a place of welcome and meeting, a shrine of prayer and adoration in the setting of exposition of the Blessed Sacrament. In addition to serving the daily needs of the church, the congregation is also available upon request for premarital counseling and baptism. Have you been to Melbourne, Australia? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.